Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a National Coloring Day inspired makeup tutorial inspired by a coloring book. I decided to do a fall inspired look because it is a miss. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I do beauty, fashion, luxury, occasionally food, lifestyle, and travel videos. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in once again. And if you are new, hopefully you'll subscribe, stick around, see what else I post. I do these types of looks once a month with other YouTubers for like a fun collaboration. For example, any national day they have out there, we could possibly do a look based on it. For example, even the most random things. National Avocado Day, National Peanut Butter Day, things like that. Kind of to, add a little more fun and pizzazz to my channel, to our channels, and to just be a little more creative than normal. The ladies participating in this one, Afoma from Amofa.o, myself, Rachel from Ray Young, Lisa from The Curvy Cuban, Samantha from Samantha Slaughter, and then Shelly. I basically did a fall inspired look. I tried to do some leaves on my face, some fall leaves. Didn't really turn out as planned, but that's how it usually is. Did a pretty wearable look nonetheless. On the eyes, you could totally take this away if you want to do a more wearable fall look. Swap out the lips if you want something more nude, and boom, you have a perfect autumn inspired look. If you guys would like to see how I created this, keep watching. I'm starting off with an eye primer, as I always do. This is a really old Urban Decay primer potion. I'm gonna see if it's still good. Let me see if I can shake it up and revive it, not throwing it away. Okay, this is liquid. I think I'm gonna put it in my empties. Instead, I'm going to use this baby Urban Decay primer potion. My other one was still in my suitcase from where I went out of town. This seems like it's dried out. Yeah, this is another empty. Should have been throwing these away. Okay, let's try the Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer. Nope. Oh my god. I'm throwing away stuff. That's good. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is my sample size. I know this is good. Going through like 4 primers that were like busts. This one is definitely good because it's not even a year old. Okay, I'm spreading this all over the eyes, finally. Today I'm going to be focused on autumn colors for my coloring book inspired look. Okay, so I'm using the Morphe 35O palette. I remember when this palette was extremely sought after. This is what it looks like. It's just a nice palette of warm tones, shimmers, and mattes. Anyway, you can very easily get it now. Still a great palette. I haven't used it in years though, so there's that. I'm going to zoom in closer. Okay, so first, I'm going to take a color into the crease. I'm going to do this like a regular eye look so it can be cutesy as well. And the color I'm taking for the crease is this top right color, this matte orangey tone up here. And I have autumn inspired nails. So there's that too. But I'm taking this to the crease. This is a Dew Color #1 brush. You can find these at Runway Shein. And this is already dirty. And y'all know I don't like washing brushes. So I'm going to use this only this time. And then wash these brushes afterwards. For real. Taking this, whoa, see how pigmented that was? OMG. I'm just blending it into the crease. Kind of pulling it down to above that. I'm taking a lighter, much lighter color. This is the color actually at the top left. It's the lightest color in the palette. If that happens to be too light, I'm gonna move to this one. I'll let you know what I choose. I stuck with the lighter color. It's not too light at all on the skin. And I'm blending it in with that crease color. Like that. For the outer V, I'm taking a darker color and I'm going in with this brown in the bottom middle. It's a really warm brown. That's matte. This is going on my outer V. This is just an old Kirkland brush from an old Christmas set, probably from 2009, 2010, around then. I'm not sure if they still sold these, but they were really good for the time I had them, because I did have a few brushes that shed and I had to throw them away, but this one really held up. Just take any tapered brush you have. I'm gonna go pretty shimmery on the lids. Why not? I'm taking this coppery shade here, so at the bottom right, it would be bottom right if I held the palette correctly. This color here. I'm taking a flat brush. This is another one from Dew Color, #5. I'm 5. And this color applies best by sweeping across, as you see. Nice, beautiful copper. I'm extending that color into the tear duct for a pop of shimmer. Feel free to put a lighter shade there if you wish. But I feel like I always do that, so I want to do something different today. And I'm also extending this around. This side is different. I have a scarecrow on this side. I know I'm premature for fall now. Well, yeah, it's not fall yet. It's a little Halloweenish. I don't really care because I feel like if I wait until October, it's gonna go by so fast. This year already flew by, so why wait, you know? So that's why I did it early, September. That way I didn't have too much to enjoy it. One of my favorite holidays and seasons. For that bottom, I'm gonna go, actually I need to go back into the crease. No, I need to go back into the outer V with that darker brown first. So I'm just applying a little bit of that, merging it into the copper. Then I'm going back into the crease with that orangey tone. Just buff that out. And now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take an even darker brown. And I'm taking the one next to the one I used. This one here. After I take an eyeliner. For eyeliner, taking this color called 10 PM by Bare Minerals. It's one of their 24/7. No, it's one of their round-the-clock waterproof eyeliners. I'm going to sharpen this. Now I'm going to go on top of the brown. Put it in with the copper. I'm actually gonna take a lighter color now because I don't like how it's all the same or it looks similar. I'm taking a gold, the one in the top middle this time. Going over that. It's gonna help lighten and brighten it up so that it's not all same tone all around. You could have left it. It's up to you. For a liner at the top, this is Blitz and Glitz Fluid Line from MAC. I have not used this in ages. I'm just taking an angled brush. This is one from the craft store. It is called Robert Simmons S57. I'm gonna go ahead and do top mascara. This is Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. Okay, I'm not gonna do my face makeup right now because I'm about to use some stencils. These are actually swatch stickers that are really old that I've used several times, but I don't want to use brand new ones because these are a little bit pricey and I don't have any other stencils or stickers. So I'm gonna improvise and use these. And because it's autumn once again, or almost autumn, I'm going to use fall inspired stickers. Uh-oh, they're really stuck to the paper. It's definitely time to get rid of these. Okay, so I kind of fixed it. I'm glad I kept it for this though. I'm basically going to just stick this somewhere. I could totally use a new stencil. I don't want to do that though. Okay, so it seems like these are okay, the middle ones. So those are the ones I'm gonna use. And take a tiny piece of tape and repair this temporarily, just so I can use it for this. So I'm gonna put it in different areas of my face. I'm also going to take some tape, because these don't stick anymore, and tape it to my face. Just so it can lay down for me to add product. You can use whatever you want to fill it in. I have my paint palette here. This is trying to remove this tape as well. I'm barely moving my mouth. This is the Snazaroo paint palette. I've used this in several of these looks. I'm focusing on the fall ones. I'm really only going to be using red, orange, and yellow from this. And you can use eyeshadow if you want. I think it's just easier. I'm actually going to use Mix and Medium just because I have it more convenient here. MAC Mix and Medium here. And like I said, the colors, red, yellow, and orange, basically your fall colors. And you want to use all synthetic brushes for this, so you don't ruin any of your natural hair brushes. So I'm using these three here. They're all flat. I'm going to start with yellow, since I have red up here and I kind of want a nice contrast. basically when I paint, you know, like you would a regular stencil. I'm gonna go over it a few times just so it's opaque. You can wait for it to dry if you want. I'm not, because I'm ready to take this off my face. Gonna slowly remove the tape. Of course I have some error because I didn't use brand new stencils, but we can fix that. I have these on the spot makeup removers from Bare Minerals. This is super old. They haven't sold these in years. Anyway, they have makeup remover inside the cotton swabs. I have no idea why they discontinued these because these are really good. And basically, you break the end and it activates it. And it runs all down to one side. I'm just gonna take my brush and put some leaves in here, or handles. Not red, I don't need that one. I do need orange, and I need yellow. I don't think I'm gonna do this side. I kinda wanna just do one side. I'm gonna do concealer now. ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. I can go all the way across this one. And then of course, Stop and Shy here. I'm actually gonna take some of this. Oop, bad idea. Never mind. I'm gonna kind of go around as much as I can. Foundation. I'm mixing my Circle Color Balance Liquid Foundation with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Marquesas and number 8. I'm going around as much as I can. I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara at the bottom, the same one I used earlier. I'm actually gonna contour with one of the fall colors, and I'm going to use red. This blush from NARS. This is called Exhibit A. It's a red-ish color. I'm contouring with this. Let's see how this goes. I'm doing it extremely intense, so obviously I'm only doing one side. There's no way I can contour over that. For highlight, I'm taking extremely intense gold. This is Cutie Pop Rich Girl highlighter. I'm done with some sweet lid because this is extremely pigmented. And I can only do one side again. I'm using one of my double-ended brushes from Romwe. I'm using this side. Extremely intense again. I know. Wow, you can't even see it on camera, it's so bright. If you happen to do too much, take your foundation brush again. Just blend it out. I'm gonna take a little more above my lip and on my nose. I probably should have avoided above the lip, but oh well, too late. Gonna blend it back out. Easy to go back over the foundation, as you can see. I'm adding some more to my nose because I do like how that looks on my skin when I do that. It's just really gold. I would never do this otherwise. I'm putting some lashes on now. These are the Red Cherry 118. I found the best way to use this so the packaging doesn't mess up is to twist in and out. Otherwise, you're gonna have glue all around the room. It's not gonna close all the way and it's gonna be messy. This is Lax from ColourPop. It's a darker red. I don't want it to be the exact same color as this here. I was gonna do orange, but I have orange. So I'm gonna do something totally darker. Something I'm not wearing on my face at all. That's it for my look. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure to check out the other ladies. I'll have a playlist link down below where you can head directly to their videos and check out their looks inspired by National Coloring Day. Also, rate the video, turn on your post notifications if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos that I post. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.